Many know the Kansas Aviation Museum as home to numerous classic aircraft models and exhibits, but few know of the secret horrors that lurk within. Built in 1935 and running until 1951, the old airport terminal building was transformed into a museum in 1990. Many priceless artifacts remain in the museum, and some say the spirits of the deceased pilots now haunt their former workplace. Museum employees and visitors have reported mysterious instances of slamming doors, disembodied voices, a disappearing man in a 1940s hat, and hearing old 1940s music. Employees also claim that a bright yellow crop duster is haunted by the pilot who died tragically in the plane's crash.
I can get spooky. Some people say they've seen or heard things. Ignorance is bliss for me. As long as I don't see it or hear it, I'm good.
Is the Kansas Aviation Museum haunted? We can't be sure, but the strange occurrences reported by the employees and visitors seem to indicate that a mystery lurks in the dark corners of the Kansas Aviation Museum.